People think the Vikings conquered because they were brutal. That is not entirely true. They won also because they had better technology. For most of history, the ocean protected people. If you lived across the sea, you were safe. Armies could not just show up, and most ships were too slow or too fragile to survive rough waters. Then the Vikings changed the rules. Their ships were built for movement. They were light enough to be carried across land, strong enough for open ocean, and shallow enough to move through rivers. That meant they could sail in from the sea and reach places no one expected. The real advantage was in the design. Viking ships were built with overlapping wooden planks, which allowed the hull to flex with the waves instead of fighting them. Where other ships would break, theirs adapted. That made long-distance travel faster and more reliable. And once you can move like that, distance stops being protection. They could appear on coastlines, move inland through rivers, and leave before anyone could react. This is how they reached England, France, and even parts of North America. So yes, the Vikings were brutal. But what made them effective was not just who they were, it was what they built. And it raises a bigger question. How many moments in history were decided not just by strength, but by better technology?